it's Kasper, and I'm back with another episode of Teen Beauty Bible. So in our last episode, we talked all about over-caring for sebum. Not only did you guys love our tips, but you also gave our teen guest a warm welcome, so thank you for that. Today, we have another interesting topic and another interesting guest, so let's begin. Now, there must be a lot of you guys being worried about getting tan during the summer because you guys are going to be out and doing fun things, right? And there are those of you that like to tan and getting that warm, healthy looking glow. But tanning doesn't necessarily mean healthy. It turns out that there are more Wishtrenders interested in not getting tan. So let's talk all about tanning with our new teen guest.
Hi guys, it's Yuri. I'm 17 years old and I'm currently attending foreign school. When I was younger, I used to wear Crocs, the shoes, but they have little holes in them, so I would get tanned and my feet would just be black with like white circles on it. So yeah, and I had that for like a couple of years, so that was really stupid.
Now, the reason why tanning turns the skin into a darker shade is because of melanin pigmentation. Melanin protects our skin from the sun, and when tanning, melanin is exposed to the UV rays and increase in number. If you're exposed to the sun for too long, your skin could turn red and peel. And if it's more severe, your skin could even blister and hurt. Strong UV rays can cause mutation of the DNA in the skin cells, making mutated cells, and this can bring skin aging and skin cancer.
Does the skin return to its original condition after you peel it off after getting a sunburn?
No, the parts damaged by the UV rays are healed when the dermal layer replaces the dead layer. The dead layer is only peeled naturally when the new layer has formed completely, and when you see it peeling, please don't take it off by yourself. If you peel it off before it falls off naturally, it could actually cause bleeding as the yet to be formed new dermal layer is exposed. The healthy layer can be peeled off together, and it could worsen inflammation and infection. When the dead dermal layer is peeled off naturally after the new layer is formed, in time your skin will return back to its original tone. Try not to expose yourself to UV rays during this process and moisturize well to help your skin barrier recover.
Does the skin return to its original condition after tanning over time?
Yes, but the time it'll take and the extent it'll return is different for each person. The skin usually has a 28-day cycle, and in one cycle, dead skin cells are formed and they peel off. But this recovery rate slows down when the skin's aging starts or if the skin's immune system is lower due to the UV rays. If you take good care of the skin after tanning, like protecting it from the UV rays, then it won't take too long to recover. Cooling. It is important to immediately cool your skin after tanning because tanning heats the skin up. Use a cold sheet mask or a cold towel to cool it down, but try avoid using things such as ice that gives a drastic change to the skin. Soothing and hydrating. It is best to use a mask with natural ingredients that is not irritating because high UV rays can make your skin sensitive and dry. Applying a thick layer of aloe gel on the skin helps the skin from hurting, and also it hydrates the skin. Put thin slices of cucumber on the skin and leave for 15 minutes. Cucumber is 90% moisture and is hydrating and soothing. Mugwort, aka Korea's tea tree, is rich in beta-carotene and also prevents itchiness and is good for soothing. Storing your sheet masks cold can help your skin cool down as well. To return from your tan skin, soothe your skin completely following the instructions we shared and try out these tips. Vitamin C stops melanin pigmentation. When you consume a certain amount of vitamin C, it leaves the body immediately. So it's better to eat and apply together. Then, how should we supply our skin with vitamin C? Use skincare products with vitamin C. But you have to use non-irritating products because the UV rays can actually make your skin sensitive. Check 1. Choose something that has a pH level lower than 4. Vitamin C is most stable at the pH of 2 to 3 and our skin at 4.5 to 6 pH. So for it to absorb better on the skin, choose something of a pH lower than 4. Check 2. Its concentration rate. Vitamin C is a strong acid, so putting it directly on the skin, which is naturally alkali, is like applying acid straight to your face. If you pick super concentrated products for higher effects, it could hurt and irritate the skin. After cleansing, use toner and 3 to 4 drops of vitamin C on the skin. If it stings, mix it in with other serums or lotions. Absorption rate is more important than concentration rate when it comes to vitamins. Vitamin C is water soluble, so it can change quickly when it's exposed to air or temperature change. Store these products in cool areas and use them up quickly after opening. Vitamin E. When you use a product that is rich in vitamin E, it helps with skin hydration and skin improvement. UV rays can form active oxygens, and vitamin E protects from these harmful components and keeps the skin healthy. When you use vitamin C products with vitamin E products before putting sun protection on, then your skin can recover quickly from its tan state. So if you're one of those people that like to get tanned and think tanning gives you a warm, healthy glow, pay attention now. If there are any teens out there that want to get tanned, we actually recommend not tanning at all and protecting yourself from the UV rays. Outdoor tanning uses actual UV rays, so it could give you a strong tan, but it can cause tan lines and sunburns. Indoor tanning, which seems faster and safer, is actually not safer. So why is this dangerous? Artificial tanning can give you a more even tan, but it only uses UVA rays. UVB affects the surface of the skin, whereas UVA affects deep inside of the skin, which can make it really painful and cause malignant melanoma, which is a type of skin cancer. So if you still want to tan after learning about these dangers, then we recommend natural tanning. When tanning naturally, avoid 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. when the UV rays are at its strongest. Tan for 20 minutes and take 10-minute breaks in between. Don't tan for more than 3 hours a day, and also if your skin starts to sting, then stop immediately. Light exfoliation helps your skin tan evenly, and also use sunscreen. You might think it'll prevent you from getting a tan, but it actually increases the amount of time you can be out in the sun without having your skin damaged. Refer to our previous videos on sunscreen.
My friends are really curious about how to get rid of pimples and stuff. Today's shoot was so much fun, and I learned so many useful tips. Thank you so much. Bye!
So, thank you guys for watching another episode on Teen Beauty Bible. Today we talked all about tanning. It's summertime and a lot of you guys are probably super interested in this topic, so I hope this video helped you guys out. If you have any further questions, then please leave them down in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye! Bye everyone!